everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and yeah, I've had a bit of a rough night with Ted. I'm absolutely knackered. I've got really bad bags under my eyes and I've done my makeup but it's just not covering up the bags. Ted's just had his breakfast, he's had scrambled egg and we're both just showered and trying to get out of the house, hence why I'm dressed already. I might do something with my hair though because it looks a bit more. Yeah, I've had an absolutely shocker of a night with him. I think he's teething again because he's just dribbling, unsettled, won't sleep, rash around his mouth, the runs and constantly pooing, constantly. So yeah, it's not the best of times right now. So we're just going to get out. I think we're just going to go to soft play around the corner and have some fun because he loves soft play, so I'm hoping it'll cheer him up. And then we're going to come back here and then when his dad's back from work we're going to go for some lovely lunch, and I'm hoping to go to this place where it's kind of on a promenade, so we've got like the sea and there's farms, like farm animals there. It's really nice. I think Ted will really enjoy it. And then tonight we're actually at a local bonfire, so there's going to be fireworks, a bonfire, and I'm hoping to have a little tipple as well. I'm just hoping that they'll serve mulled wine because I'm craving it like no other at the moment. So either that or mulled cider. So yeah, we're just gonna have to try and man up and get on with the day as best as we can because I've got a feeling it's gonna be a bit of a hard one. So stick around and pray for me and let's just hope it's a good day. Pardon my hands, I actually fake tanned last night and yeah, it's gone a bit shocking. Never mind, last thing on my plate right now. So I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you in a bit. This is what I'm going to put Ted in today. He's just got a gilet just to keep his body warm, a jumper, and I'm going to put a vest on underneath that. Move out the way. Oh, this dog. And some cute little blue leggings and his star socks. And dressed. Oh, get me out the house. And we're out. Completely applaud mums who have more than one child because getting out of the house with just one is hard work. Definitely want more children, but I just don't have a clue how it's gonna work. So it's 11 o'clock and soft play is over. We were in there for about an hour until he started getting a bit stressy and overwhelmed, so I think he's ready for a nap. Yeah, I just wish his favourite thing in there wasn't the bin. He's honestly just obsessed with playing in bins. It's like, I've just paid £4 to get in here, please stop playing with that bin now. I also nearly knocked out a small child. There's like these, you'll have seen them before, they're in every soft play, they're like cylinders filled with foam and you can swing them back and forth. And I just forgot where I was and started swinging one back and forth and literally this child flew into it as I was swinging it and he went flying about 5 metres and I laughed. I'm such a bad person, I just laughed. Thank God his mum wasn't anywhere near us because she probably would have punched me in the face. So I'm going to put this little one down for his nap now. He's shattered, yawning, eye rubbing, all the signs are there, and he's been up now for about 4.5 hours, so I'm surprised he's not really ratty. So I'm just going to draw the curtains, and we have to nap in Mummy's room at the moment because he just will not sleep in his cot. Ugh, I'm out of breath. So I'm just going to get him off to sleep. Hopefully it won't take too long. So I may have ended up falling asleep with Ted. He wouldn't let me put him down. Every time I tried to unhook myself and get away from him, I just had tears, so I just had to lie there with him and I fell asleep. We just woke up, I've just changed my top because why did I think that wearing a cream top would be acceptable with a child with a cold? I do not know. I'm just going to get him changed as well because he's filthy, and Sam's just upstairs in the shower and we're going to head out for some lunch. So let's do this. Even bring your baby.
Remember this bit.
Oh no, I think we might be lost.
Amy, who says, Dad, nice to hear Bastille. I'm getting very excited. I'm going to see them play in Nottingham tomorrow night.
True.
Yeah, they're doing Leeds tonight, Nottingham tomorrow. So big up everybody.
Yay! Look how pretty it is, Ted.
No, that one goes in the top probably.
What are you doing? Again! Jesus. We've just got back and Ted has woken up from his nap. We're just watching Toy Story and chilling out. Sam's just having a nap because he was on nights last night, so he wants to be fresh before we get to the bonfire later. It's raining though, which is really peeing me off. Yes. This one was fabulous at the restaurant, but we're still a little grumpy head, aren't we? We're actually due some Calpol, so I'll probably be best getting him that. Yeah, I'm just going to chill out for a bit and then I'll probably start getting ready about 6 o'clock. I'm going to change what I'm wearing because I want to be really extra cozy and comfy because it's going to be cold and it's raining, and I'm looking forward to a drink. This one's going to be having a late night, so fingers crossed he lasts or sleeps in his pram. Oh, that reminds me, I need to ask my mum for his big pram. We're just not a happy bunny today at all. It's one of them days. I've just got ready and I'm just wearing this Pomsky hat, which is so bloody cute. I've not worn this in a year. And then I've just got a black turtleneck top on with a jumper over the top and this like shawl style woolen jacket. And then I've just got some black leggings on, but I'm going to put some black skinny jeans over the top for extra comfort and warmth, and some tanned slash, they're not tanned, they're more like dark brown boots. And that is it. I've not really done much with my hair. I've just kind of waved it slightly. Looks pretty shit, but never mind. I've got a hat on, so it doesn't matter. Don't know if I really suit this hat, but it's really comfy, so I'm wearing it anyway. Ted is coming back. Just ignore the state of everything. One, I've been getting ready, so the house is a tip. And two, we're in the middle of decorating. Ted is just with his dad because his dad actually needs a hat. So he's gone off with him. So I've just been left getting ready and I am ready now. So I need to dress Ted when he is back. I'll show you what he's wearing. So this is Boo's outfit. He's just wearing a vest just for an additional layer. This grey jumper. This whole outfit pretty much was in my autumn haul for toddlers. And then these brown fleece, they're like fleecy inside, and the cords. And then just a really, really lovely warm winter jacket over the top. I would put a hat on him, but he won't keep it on, so this is where the hood comes in handy. And I'm going to put 2 pairs of socks on him as well, and he'll also have his foot muff. done that at all. How do you feel, Pop? Good. A Nemo toy, please. Let's show Ted. Oh, look. You're going to give it him?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay, with his toy. It's a Nemo.
No, it's just your hat label.
Oh, it's a Nemo.
Big goldfish.
We've had a lovely night, haven't we, Teddy? Hey, we're just absolutely knackered. So Ted has just gone to bed and I am knackered. It's 9 o'clock and this is genuinely the latest he's ever gone to bed. Even when he was a newborn, we put him down for the night before 8. Oh, I'm just absolutely exhausted. It's been such a good night. I mean, he's not been the happiest at all times. He loved the fireworks, but then would start hating them. But so he's a bit like indecisive of whether he liked them or not. But no, in all, it's been really good. We've seen Sam's mum and dad. We've seen his sister, his brother, the kids, like his sister's children. And it's been a really good night. I am just knackered. And you know how you'd think because he's gone to bed late, if I sound drunk, it's because I've had 2 glasses of wine. And I actually do think it's gone to my head a little bit. What was I saying? Oh my god, what was I saying? I've just watched it back where I was up to, and as I was saying, it's the latest he's ever gone to bed at night, but yeah, he's asleep. He went straight to sleep, no joke. I had to give him another bottle because before we went to the bonfire, we actually gave him his bottle as if he was going to bed because we thought he'd fall asleep at the bonfire and then we'd transfer him, but that didn't happen. He was just wide awake at the bonfire. So I've just given him another 6 ounces and he's gone straight to sleep. But you know how, this is where I was at. Oh my god. You know how normally you'd think, oh, because he's gone to bed later, he'll be getting up later. I am seriously still doubting that because Ted gets up at 5:30 no matter what, pretty much. And he's teething and he is in the worst mood probably I've ever seen him. And I don't know if any of you mums out there have gone through this. Sometimes I feel like it's just me, and I know that's probably really stupid and maybe I'm too like honest, but I just feel like it's just me going through it. Is that stupid? Like, I know all babies teeth, but do they all teeth to this extent where they're literally crying 90% of the time? I don't know. But it has been a good night. I ate donuts and they were freaking amazing. And Sam is still at the rugby club now. Sam actually plays for the first team at the rugby club, which we've just been at, where the bonfire was. So he is with some of his friends who were also players there. And he's just going to stay for another 10 minutes. I hope. He'd better do anyway. And then we're going to have some Asda pizzas, which are the best. Like Asda pizzas, all of you Brits there will know Asda pizzas are the bomb. So we're going to have some Asda pizzas, meat feast of course, and some chips. And probably I will be asleep before 11. But it's been a really good day. I've tried to make the most of a bad situation because Ted has been extremely moody, and there's been times, especially in the early days of Ted's life, where when we've had rough times, I'd just slob around the house and feel sorry for myself and cry and get upset. But now I just try and get out of the house and make the most of it because such a cliche, but it is going so quick. Yeah, Ted is sleeping at his grandma's tomorrow, so it's been nice just to spend the whole night with him, and it's been really good. I've really enjoyed it, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. I'm sorry that he's such a whinge bum, and I hope that it's not just me, like, not to be harsh, but I hope it isn't just me who's got a whingy bum child when they're teething and they're poorly. It's hard being a mum, and yeah, I don't even know what else to say. So I'm gonna get my pajamas on, get my comfies on, wash my face, if I can be bothered. No, I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna wash my face. And get my pizza in, and I'll probably watch some trashy TV, or we'll end up watching half a film and then fall asleep on the settee. But I think Ted's baby monitor's here anyway in case I do fall asleep. So thanks for watching, everyone. It's been a good day. I've really enjoyed today. So if you've liked the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you all soon, and thank you so much for watching.